Welcome back to Pivot and Faith. Come and harvest garlic with us. These are the garlics we planted. You guys saw us plant in January. We were able to get some before we broke these two here. Broke two there. So here we are trying to recover those two somewhere.
They're in here somewhere. I lost them. Shame.
Well, one is definitely right here, because that's the hole.
Oh, that's where?
Yeah.
Okay. So where's
And the other one's somewhere right in there. Well, at least,
somewhere.
look at that. The wood chips got the soil dark, getting dark.
Or darker.
Darker. Maybe we should have got the baby junior shovel or something.
Where's it hiding? It's not far enough.
Maybe it didn't get. Maybe we didn't grow one.
Of course it will. I can't find it. Mercy. They're in there somewhere.
Maybe not. We should have seen it by now.
Unless,
There go it.
Yep.
There go one.
Now we have to find the second one. Where are you keeping these?
Over here. Since I didn't bring a basket.
Now we find the second one. It's here somewhere. It blends in with the soil.
I didn't think it was that far over.
You'd be surprised.
Alrighty, you have to dry these for 1 to 2 weeks inside so they can store well and get that shell like we get when we buy them from the store.
Not bad. Yeah, definitely need reaping. Definitely. This is 2-in-1. One decided to grow deeper. You see that? Wow. Because it's in the way. That's all. I need to find another home.
Guys, what is this extra bulb in here? That's a new onion plant or what is happening? Gotta go look that up. First year, second year trying garlic, first year with a success. And this is store-bought. It's not even our nursery that we pulled one of them that you saw and it's not ready yet.
I think the key is to take your time and pull it up.
Okay.
Yes, that's the key. That's
a nice size one.
Wow, I'm amazed.
Okay, well, we missed one, he said. So look, this is what we harvested today. I think this may be one of the biggest we harvested today. I'm gonna dry them out. I think it's 1 to 2 weeks. And then there's another one right here. Maybe this is the biggest, I think. Maybe. Where's that one? These two are. But anywho, haven't counted them yet. So when I lay them all out, I'll be able to count them. So that is our harvest from our store-bought we will link that video below or in the cards so that you can see where we started at with this harvest. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.